Yes, yes, क्या बात है, nice to see.
Yeah.
Sunil Center,
Yes,
सामने
sir.
आ रही है अपनी.
Siddharth.
Kevin, you have
Very nice.
topi. That one.
Yes.
This is the first one. Yes. You have something for Kevin? Okay, good.
Book is basically, for the entire humanity. This book is talking about the soul journey of human being, and this is the complete book of the consciousness creation of the human being. And I have written this book, based on my advancement and based on my meditative practices, and which I have been doing for the almost 2.5 decades. And this book will give you a complete clarity about the soul of the soul, mind, and body, and how the consciousness are formed, within our body. So, this is basically a kind of connection, the complete path from your soul, mind, and body. As all of you are aware, we are talking about the mind in between soul and our physical body. The moment our mind merges with the soul, we are basically move on to the next higher and higher levels actually. So I will be coming out with the another book which is talking about the complete energy management, and the third one will be for the mind management. And I'm basically a life coach and healer. I'm from a company, Sumira Life Management Private Limited, and this company completely, doing is work for the transformation of the personality. Our personality exists, in a consciousness form, and we see the entire world from our physical body. So we exist in a consciousness, and we represent ourselves in a physical world by our physical body. So, my programs are completely, transformative programs like lifestyle management, work-life balances, then crisis management, how to do a meditations, and, the core point, the core thing of my company is my assessment test, which is patented, and I basically capture your personality, which is formed by your past to present unique travel, and in the form of duality. And basically this duality, I basically take this blueprint in a duality form, in terms of how much your left brain versus right brain, how much your emotional versus logical, how much you are inward outward, and what are your chakras basically balanced. And based on that, I basically come out with a kind of guiding him from how to do meditation, how to do self healing, and how to do the specific exercise for transformation of your personality. My company also awarded MSME India 5000 award last year. I also represented myself as a top leader. I also represented in a Silicon India magazine as a top 10 prominent leader of India last year, and that is what is my achievement. I thanks again to the University for honoring me such a great honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.